In front of me is Motorola Moto G56, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for remove section to show up. When it does, drag your search bar on top of it, and when you see that it's see-through, let go. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it, hold your device's display, select widgets at the bottom left corner of this pop-up, click on Google App after scrolling down, scroll down again to access search bar widget, hold it and drag it to the proper place, then let go and tap on any place on your screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!